Some people believe that global warming isn't caused by humans, but according to a recent study published by 13 government agencies, including NASA and the EPA, it is. Let me show you why. First, the greenhouse effect. Earth's atmosphere has 4 different layers, each with a different temperature filled with different gases, like carbon dioxide. These gases are dubbed greenhouse gases. The sun radiates heat to the Earth, and most of the heat is deflected by Earth's atmosphere. The heat that isn't deflected back into space warms the Earth to a livable temperature for humans. The greenhouse gases don't just keep too much heat from coming into Earth's atmosphere, they make sure that heat doesn't leave. This is why our temperature doesn't change 1200 degrees Fahrenheit between day and night as it does on the planet Mercury. This system of keeping temperature somewhat steady on Earth has worked for millions of years. Most global warming deniers will stop here and talk about how Earth naturally goes through heating and cooling periods, like the Ice Age. Well, about every 200 million years, Earth goes through an ice age which lasts for millions of years. By that logic, we're actually supposed to be in an ice age that started only 3,000 years ago. Temperatures naturally decreased until the mid-19th century when humans began burning fossil fuels. These fuels powered inventions like the light bulb, telephone, and eventually whatever you're using to watch this video. But by burning fossil fuels, that releases heat and carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. As I mentioned earlier, carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, which keeps heat in the atmosphere. So, as we release the carbon dioxide that seals heat into the atmosphere, we also release heat that is forced to stay in Earth's atmosphere. Currently, scientists use a satellite called Orbiting Carbon Dioxide Observatory 2 to measure carbon data from space. With this satellite, climatologists are able to see increased amounts of carbon dioxide being pumped into the atmosphere and learn how our planet deals with it during different parts of the year. What do we know about that information? Well, we need to burn less fossil fuels by creating more power-efficient cars and solar power. Now that we know that global warming is a threat, it's time to face it head-on. Contact your elected officials and tell them you want climate action. The world may depend on it. Reporting from the University of Nebraska-Lincoln for Global Student Square, I'm Science Editor Ian Mason.